Hey, this is David with the Shepherd School, and not every one of my reviews can be, I would buy the crap out of this book, right? And here's one that's okay, but I think you could probably find a little better resource. It's called Do-It-Yourself Medicine by Ragnar Benson, and I'll have to admit, just like all the other, prepper types, I've spent a lot of money on Ragnar Benson books, and some of them are really good. They give you some ideas that you just don't see in other places. But some of them are just kind of, I could have thought of that. And this was one of those I could kind of think about this. This whole book is basically about buying veterinary medicines, right? And that's all well and good, but you got to be real careful because a lot of buying vet meds, it's starting to get regulated and getting to where you require a veterinary prescription to go down to the co-op to buy some vet meds, and it's pretty good, I guess. But like I said, you've got to be kind of careful about that because I think some of this information is a little dated. A lot like spending a lot of money on those fake ID books. All that stuff is kind of dated and not useful anymore. But as a reference, I don't know how good it is, but as a means to tell you some things that you might not know, if you can get this at a discount, maybe used, it might be worth getting. But I would probably spend my money on something better, like say Armageddon Medicine or something. So anyway, there you go. And until next time, you can always catch us online at www.tngun.com.